In this lecture, we will quickly discuss some basics of dynamic host configuration protocol. Let us understand what is DHCP. It stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network protocol used to automatically assign IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to the devices on a network. So, how does DHCP work? A centralized DHCP server maintains pool of available IP addresses and other network settings. When a device such as computer or smartphone connects to the network, it sends a DHCP request to the DHCP server. Then the DHCP server assigns an available IP address to the device and provides it with other network configuration information. So this is how DHCP server works. Let us now understand the benefits of DHCP. It is an automated process. No manual IP configuration will be required. It helps to prevent the IP conflict. So different devices will not have same IP. It simplifies the network management and it's ideal for large networks. Now let us understand what is DHCP starvation attack. Here, attacker floods the DHCP server with large number of fake DHCP requests. So they will generate large number of requests for IP addresses. Objective is to exhaust the supply of available IP addresses in DHCP pool. So when any legitimate request come, DHCP server will not able to support them because all the available IP address would have taken by fake request. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.